Hello, my name is Janker Sepulveda and I will talk about software development process. What is a software development process? A software development process is a process of dividing software development work into smaller, parallel, or sequential steps or sub-processes um, to improve design and or product management. It is also known as software development lifecycle or SDLC. The methodology may include the definition of specific deliverables and artifacts that are created and completed by project team to develop or maintain an application, right? Which methodologies of software development exist? Agile development. Agile software development refers to a group of software development frameworks based on iterative development where requirements and solutions evolve via collaboration between self-organization cross-functional teams. The term was coined in the year 2001 when the Agile Manifesto was formulated. Uh, there we go with continuous integration. Continuous integration is the practice of merging all developer working copies to a shared mainline several times a day. Stream programming adopted the concept of CI and did advocate integrating more than once per day, perhaps as many as tens of times per day. Incremental development. Incremental development various methods are acceptable for combining linear and iterated system development methodologies, with the primary objective of each being to reduce inherent project risks by breaking a project into a smaller segment and providing more ease of change during the development process. Right? Rapid application development. Rapid application development or RAID is a software development methodology which favors iterative development and the rapid construction of prototypes instead of large amounts of upfront planning. The planning of software development using RAID is interleaved with writing the software itself. The lack of extensive pre-planning generally allows software to be written much faster and makes it easier to change requirements. The rapid development process starts with the development of preliminary data models and business process models using structured techniques. In the next stage, requirements are verified using prototyping eventually to refine the data and process models. These stages are repeated iteratively. Further development results in a combined business requirements and technical design statement to be used for constructed new system. Yeah, we have right now waterfall development. The waterfall model is a sequential development approach in which development is seen as following stealthily downwards like a waterfall through several phases, typically requirement analysis resulting in software requirements specification, software design, implementation, testing, integration, if there are multiple subsystems, deployment or installation, and maintenance. The waterfall model is the divisional engineering approach applied to software engineering. A strict waterfall approach discourages revisiting and revising any prior phase once it is completed. This inflexibility is a pure waterfall model has been a source of criticisms by supporters of other more flexible models. It has been widely blamed for several large-scale government projects running over budget over time and sometimes failing to deliver on requirements due to being designed upfront approach except when contractually required. The waterfall model has been largely suspended by more flexible and versatile methodologies developed specifically for software development. Yeah. At the end, we have a spiral development. In 1918, Barry Boham published a formal software system development spiral model which combines some case aspect of waterfall model and rapid prototyping methodologies in an effort to combine advantage of top-down and bottom-up concept. It provides emphasis in KR many many fields had been neglected by other methodologies, deliberate, iterative, risk analysis, and particular suited to large-scale complex systems. Well, thanks. That's all.